staff with me. First, let me begin with Ms. Sabita Bhair. Please come. Sabita madam is there with us right from the beginning of the school. She has rich experience of more than 25 years in English. So she is Sabita madam, who will be taking care of English for her higher grades. Next is Mrs. Prema Khatke. Yeah. She has more than 21 years of experience. She's been only teaching science. Yeah, now she's synonymous to science now. Yeah, she's worked in cities like Bangalore. Now she's with us. We are very happy to have you here. Next we have Mrs. Surekha Desai. When you ask your children, especially the higher grades, they'll say, my favorite teacher is SST teacher. Not such thing never happens in many of the schools. SST, they feel it's a very boring subject. But now in JGI, in TJIS, most of the children have their favorite subject as SST. It's only because of Mrs. Surekha. We have Mrs. Sujata Kulkarni. She is our Kannada teacher. This year she is mainly going to handle primary section. Yes, I have so many children coming in and telling, I want Hindi, but I want Kannada also because I love the teacher. So this is the kind of rapport which she has with the children. So the most loved teacher is Mrs. Surekha Kulkarni. Thank you for joining us. Sorry, Sujata Kulkarni. Next we have Miss Manjula Katti. She's the most senior teacher in TJIS. Now, don't go by her age because she's there right from day one with us. So, she's the most experienced teacher in TJIS. This year, she'll be handling higher grades, Kannada, second and third language. Thank you. We have Kalapa sir. Mr. Kalapa Saibanawar, our art and craft sir. So, whatever you can see on the stage, the credit goes to him. Thank you, sir. We have Mrs. Vidya Chituri. She'll be handling primary section. So she's the class teacher for first B, and she'll be handling subjects like English and EVS for the primary section. Thank you, ma'am. We have Mrs. Rekha Roli, who has joined in this year. Yes, she is very well qualified. She has done her MPhil. All these years she used to teach higher grade children. She used to teach college level children. But now we are very lucky to have you here. She'll be handling mathematics for higher grades from this year. We have Aurikya Mary, Miss Mary ma'am. Yeah, she's not a new face to JGI. She was working with JGI Davangere for 5 years. This year we are so lucky to have you here with us. With TJIS, she'll be handling English for higher grades. The most disciplined, the most soft-spoken teacher in TJIS. Thank you so much, ma'am. We have Mrs. Sarita Lodaya, who has joined this year, who would be handling English and EVS. She is a class teacher for first A, who has joined in this year. We have Mrs. Logeshwari. She has also joined in this year. Is a class teacher for third A, who will be handling SST for third standard and mathematics for second standard. Am I right? First standard mathematics. Thank you, madam. We have Mrs. Aruna. Please come. We have Mrs. Aruna. She has got an experience of 18 years in teaching. She's the most experienced teacher. She has joined us this year, who will be handling 4th standard and 3rd standard. Thank you so much. We have Miss Shreya, who is Shreya Kulkarni, who is our music teacher. We call her as voice of JGI. Yeah, who will be be handling music. We'll be teaching music for the children. Thank you. We have Miss Joyce Joseph. Joyce ma'am would be handling 3rd standard, class teacher for 3rd A, sorry. 3rd A will be teaching English for 2nd standard and 3rd standard. Thank you. We have Miss Nirmala Paul. She's our PE teacher, physical education, who has joined last year. I'm sorry, Mrs. Sujata Rasalkar, our Hindi teacher. She has joined us last year, 2 years back, right? She is with us since 2 years, and she'll be dealing with Hindi for the higher grade sections. Thank you so much for joining us. Next, we have 2 new joinees this year. Miss Pallavi and Mrs. Shruti. So Shruti, please come here. Shruti would be teaching computers, and she's also the class teacher for 2nd A. And Pallavi for 2nd B. She has done her masters in science. Will be teaching. Was the class teacher for 2nd B. Mathematics. I'm so sorry. And she'll be teaching mathematics for grade 5th. Thank you so much. And we have Mrs. Anita Nagpur at the front office. So she couldn't join us here because she was busy at the front office, who will be our PRO from this year. So she'll be attending the phone calls, and at the front office she'll be there. So this is my team.